Hello, my name is Jason Fisher, and I coach the high school math team here at Hill Murray. Math team consists of meeting one meet every week. We meet on Monday afternoon after school for about an hour. We also have 5 competitions throughout the year, one each month. So we meet basically every Monday from October until February. And each competition has 5 events. Students are able to sign up for which event they would prefer. So that an example of a couple of events would be the algebra event or the geometry event. There's also a pre-calc and a trig event, as well as a team event. The team event, we have 8 students chosen from our overall team. This is where we're able to collaborate and strategize as to how we're going to get the most points. And at the end of each season, that we have an opportunity to go to state if we win our division, and or if an individual can also go to state if they outscore many of the other students in the competition. So basically we meet every Monday, and it's just a fun way for us to do some math and also get to meet some friends. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out.